Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So it seems that Envato elected a new CEO because, as I already announced on a previous video from this channel, Collis Ta'eed, it was stepping down from the function of Envato CEO. So he will no longer be the Envato CEO, and today they announced that they have a new CEO for Envato, and his name is Hichame Assi. And let's go ahead and check his LinkedIn profile out. So he is Hichame Assi, and he's the new CEO of Envato. So he already updated his job, and yeah, I hope he will bring Envato to new levels, because he seems to be quite a fit guy for this position, because he joins us from HotelsCombined, where he been for last years, 10 years, and he sold his company to Booking.com. So I think he has quite some experience with this position, and yeah, he grew his business from 30 to 300 people, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so I will link this forum post in this video's description. You can go ahead, guys, and check more about the new CEO of Envato, Hichame Assi. So yeah, I really hope that he will do a great job in this position, and I congratulate him for the new job. And yeah, it seems that Collis Ta'eed will be stepping down soon, and Hichame Assi will be taking his place. So yeah, a warm welcome to Hichame, and I'm looking forward to even meeting him someday. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. This was a quick update about Envato CEO, which was changed, and this is influencing us authors on Envato, because the new CEO will have a different mentality and will take different paths for the company. I hope he will make it for the best for us, for people who are selling on Envato. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.